Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at AXL or Axelar, and it actually had a massively good day. As you can see here, the token is up around 91%, and we'll go over the coin and what is happening with this coin as of now and why it's pumping. So if we try to take a look at their Twitter or their X account, there is nothing going on, there is no news or anything like that, but the token is pumping, and there is a reason for that. I will come to that in just a second. So before that, we have to look at the most recent updates that they have done. So basically they have had this major update for the AXL tokenomics or the AXL coin itself back in Feb, in basically in March, as you can see here. So they basically had they approved the governance approved a fee burning mechanism, out of which I believe 98% of the transaction fees is burned now, so that's pretty good. And they also had another utility for the token that actually grows with each chain connection. So basically this actually makes the AXL token pretty good or pretty demanding as they grow their ecosystem and as the network grows. So this was a massive deal for AXL token. And if we look here, this is when the update actually happened, and the token basically peaked and it continued to go down, as you can see here. So it actually did not had that much impact on the price. As you can see here, right here, the update happened and the token basically continued to go down. But after that, we had another update, which was that they actually integrated Sui, so which was a massive thing because Sui is really big, a massive new blockchain that they have going on as of now. And I think and they are, I believe, also working on to implement Solana as well. So if I think the Solana once the Solana is integrated to a Axelar ecosystem, I think that will be when bigger thing for a AXL coin in the future as well. So that's another massive thing that they have going on. So now what is happening with the coin? So I will just try to look here. So this is how the coin looks like. So it went from here from 33 cent to as high as 64 cent, which is over 90% pump, which is a lot, as you can see here. And all of that happened after Upbit listing, as you can see here. So Upbit Korea basically listed AXL KRW and AXL USDT, and beside that we had another token which was EPT USDT. So basically if we go here to the market tabs, just a second, if we go to the market tabs and if we look at the volume, the massive volume that AXL received was on or AXL has is on Korea or here. So because of that, AXL had a massive pump. And after AXL token is also available on Binance and other exchanges, so I think other traders also got in and they started to pump the token like really hard, as you can see here. So this momentum that AXL got has started to go down, and this is not new because in the past I have seen a lot of tokens getting pumped because of the upbid listing, but right after that they do get a pretty massive dump as well. So that is something that you should know. Beside the AXL, there was another token which is EPT, as you can see here. And if we do look at the EPT, it actually went up, as you can see here, from 0.64 to as high as 0.82, and as of now it has also started to go down. So I think this pump was caused by this massive pump was caused by the upbit listing. And again, AXL is available on a lot of exchanges, so a lot of traders are now looking at it. So it has a massive volume as of now, and I don't think that it is going to go down or something like that as of now, but it is going to be highly volatile. So that means it can actually go even higher than that, and it can also go lower than that. It can also go low, but as of now I think the biggest resistance that it needs to actually overcome is around here, around if we just try to look here, I think it actually needs to break out from here if it wants to continue to go up. So this also seems to be a pretty good resistance that has actually basically stopped AXL as of now. And if we see more volume, especially when we see in the market, let's just say that we see as of now in some parts of the world there is a night. So once we see more traders in the market, I think the token will most likely go up, or it will most likely go down. But if it goes down, it will be like fast, I think, because of this high volatile market and because of this high volume that happened on Upbit. So overall, I think AXL now actually needs to break out from there if it wants to continue to go up. But again, if we look at AXL's market cap, it has a massive market cap of 500 million. So as of now, it went from 300 million market cap to as high as 500, and in the past it has gone as high as 1 billion, as you can see here back in December. But I think 1 billion seems to be a lot. So again, if it does go up, we will most likely peak somewhere around 700 million. So they just say that if it does start to go up from here, the best or the most, I think the pump it can go is around 88 cents. That also seems to be pretty high price. But again, if you're looking to get into this coin or trade the coin, be very careful, because this coin is going to be highly volatile in the next coming days. And as of now, if we just look here, there is no news, at least not that I could find on Axelar network or on their Twitter. And even if we look at their blogs, it doesn't mention any news. So if we just scroll down here, this is the latest news that they had going on, which was for the SUI integration. Unless there is some let's just say the insider trading happening and Axelar is planning to drop a big news, I do not see that this pump is going to be stable. If we see a big news, the pump will most likely continue, but if not, I think the trader will most likely short it and the token will most likely go down. So that is something that you should know if you're planning to get into this coin, because there is no news beside this Upbit listing. Basically that is what I could find. Again, still be very careful with this coin. As of now, it has already pumped over 80%, so which is a lot. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.